Alright, too, man. I don't know if y'all even dropped this video or not. From the last video, y'all already heard what I said, but right now I'm at the Impound trying to see if I can get the old ghost back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Y'all just chilling, ain't you?
Well, they told us to sit right here.
And you waiting patiently, right?
I'm trying.
So you got a car that's been here for at least 3 weeks, right?
Yeah, I only know about it for like 3 days. Nobody.
You just found out it was stolen?
Well, I found out it was stolen the day of, but I didn't know it was here.
He didn't know when he found it.
Nobody told me when they found it or anything. Somebody.
You should have got a letter.
Nope, nothing. We ain't got nothing.
The first couple of days you get a letter saying that it's here. This is a 2017 Dodge.
Mm-hmm.
What color is it?
It's like a dark charcoal gray. Like at night.
We're almost about to sell it.
Yeah, I know it's going to the auction on Monday. I just found all this.
Once it's here 30 days, we post it for auction online.
Yeah. I know. She told me. I already know it's going to auction on Monday. I was just coming to get like some of my personal items out of the car. If it's still there.
6, 7, right?
I think so.
They can't tell me where it is.
Yeah, they ain't tell me none of that.
Didn't know it was here.
Didn't even know. I found out 3 days ago because my dad.
Changed.
My address changed. No. My dad, he was looking on there and he stumbled across it. He was like, hey, you know it's at the Impound. I was like, well, they ain't never called and told me nothing. So he gave me the address and I'm just not getting in.
Okay. What are you trying to do now?
I'm just like, I got my tools in the back. My son's car seat supposed to be back there. His stroller supposed to be in there. So I'm just trying to see if I can get
whatever's left.
Yeah, whatever's left.
Okay, we got to circle around and look for it. It's in an auction section.
Okay.
But it's not assigned to a particular spot.
Okay.
So we got to circle around and find it.
Okay.
Follow me. I'm going to turn around. Just follow me down there.
Okay. Well, y'all heard the man, bro. It's crazy. But anyways, what I was talking about, so I'm up here trying to see the remainings I can get out of my old Hellcat, bro. So
yeah, all this stuff is probably gone.
We gonna see what's left, or what the crook left. Like, 'cause I know you watching this video, so B, man, like you stole a car but didn't sell it, like.
Didn't get nothing out of it. Just joyriding.
Just joyriding in it, fam. Like, I hope it was worth it, fam. Then you came back and busted out my window and tried to steal this one. Like, come on, dude. Like, you got the first one. Why you ain't keep the first one, bro?
This hoe still got the paper tags on the car.
And yes, bro.
Still the paper tags. Still
It's
on
crazy,
the car.
bro.
I ain't even paid a note on the car yet.
Exactly, bro. It's...
like, I don't know. Stuff just came.
And then, that's not even the crazy part, right? So I'm walking to my car, right? A girl backed up into the back of my car, bro. Crazy. Like, this day can't even get no worse, bro. Exactly. Let me flip this camera. All these cars at the Impound. They got a Range Rover over there.
It's just
mercy, man. They got a Range. He showed them. We got to circle through here to find it. I mean, I got the keys in my hand, so.
So they already reprogrammed that car. That key probably don't work to that car no more.
You never know.
Do you see it?
I don't know. Did he want me to pull up and look for it? Because he looking too slow. He must don't know what he looking for.
He don't know what he looking for, but you do.
I do.
I don't see it on this app.
He said you got to go through the auction pile, so we'll see. That car's completely burnt up over there, champ.
I guess if you see the car blow the horn.
Yeah, champ, be looking, because I sure don't see it.
I'm looking up here.
They got a Mustang beat up right here. Smashed in.
A lot of these cars is wrecked right here.
Yeah, these wreck cars.
Oh, nigga, this car got gunshots right here.
Oh, so do. He wish I wish they let me lead the way. Cause I know where my car gonna be at. It sure is.
And all these cars up here wrecked. Your car was in perfect, but we don't know what condition the car is.
It sure wasn't.
over here. It make it.
That's what I'm saying, child. These people.
The way these cars looking at these people fucking
I hope these people did make it to survive half these wrecks, boy. Cause this thing here, there it is. No, that's not. Dang, that's not my wheels. That's a 392.
Nah, that ain't it.
That ain't it.
That's not. No.
That's not it. That's not it.
That's it.
No.
That's not my car. It was a Hellcat.
That's the guy on your paper right here.
Hold on.
That ain't the car.
Bro, they look at this, bro. They snatched my badge off, took the stripes off, changed the whole wheels, put a 392 badge on it. Let me call my dad, man. Did they wreck it? I knew they had to wreck it. They got hit from the side. Dad, they wrecked the car. They wrecked the hood. I mean, they wrecked the car.
Yeah, they was racing in it.
Yeah, they was racing. That's exactly what happened. They was racing in the car. They totaled it out. Do y'all know where they found it at? No.
Yeah, they know up in the front office.
I'm gonna have to go up there and ask them because it was right. The dude was seen in Garland. That's when y'all was saying this is a car. I'm like, nah, that's a 392.
Well, I mean, you can look at it. It's been painted. You can see that. It's kind of dulled out.
This is my car. Yeah, my interior and everything's there. They took the
And
stripes
they
off.
could have painted your tires. That's another thing.
They changed. Yeah, they painted. I don't know if they painted them wheels.
They might have painted it.
No, these different wheels. That's not paint. Them different wheels. They changed. Nittos. They changed my tires. They changed the whole tire setup. Oh my goodness, bro. I got my Coda intake on here. They snatched that. They already snatched my lights off of there. This the interior right here, y'all. They changed my whole car. Everything is gone. My tool. No, boy, they got $20 in the car. I'm keeping that.
Can you pop the trunk and see if that? Most likely everything is gone.
I can't pop it because the car won't start. The battery dead on it.
I don't think it's probably anything in the trunk.
The trunk. See my tools is back there? Hold on. Bro, this is. They changed.
You could get the
Yeah.
trunk from back here, can't you? They got hot,
Yeah, they out
hot Cheetos and shit back here.
Yeah, they out here. They got boxing gloves in the back of my car.
Take them out.
They got boxing gloves back here. So I guess this is how they broke into my car. They bust the top window out and they wrecked it. It's wrecked. It's total gone. They changed my wheels. They took off my stuff on the inside. God dang, bro. They changed the badges. Took my stripes off, changed the wheels, changed the tires. My Coda intake, I can't do nothing about that. They broke.
This is just funny as hell.
Bro, this is crazy. I can't get nothing out of it, so I mean I'm here, but Lord have mercy. Let me check the glove box.
I already checked. There ain't nothing in there but the manual.
For real?
Ain't nothing in there but the manual.
And they left a. Why did they leave an AR bullet in there?
It's a bullet in the car?
Yes, I don't even, and this is not even a type of a gun I have.
So you saw
The police out here, yes, they out here.
nothing in the trunk. All the rest of the
Yeah, they only got boxing gloves in the back. I just looked in. I looked in it. It's gone, y'all. The tag. They changed the tag too.
They took the plates off and put a paper tag on here.
No, somebody, either they stole a tag from somebody or they know somebody who got a tag because this thing got May 25th, 2021. My car got stole April 15th of 2021.
Yes, an incident.
And then they peeled off the whatchamacallits in the back. Peeled this off.
They took off the badges.
Oh my God. That they was undercover. Took the wheels off, changed the badges, took the stripes off. So they didn't bust out this window, but when they wrecked it, yeah, the battery dead on it, so I can't even start it up. It's gone, Dad. It's gone. Ghost gone. It's gone. Child, I can't get nothing out of here. It's pointless. They took out all the stuff that was in my dash. So, and they stole my Ray-Bans. They stole my Ray-Bans. They got whatever was in the glove box, like my insurance stuff, that's gone. Dang, bro, this is what I need right here, bro. No, I'm asking.
It's nothing left.
They all gone.
Yeah, it's nothing.
All that. Everything on my is gone. Gone. Yeah, the puddle light's gone too.
You don't see anything else.
I just looked, they gone.
Everything gone.
Everything is gone.
Come on. Say goodbye.
This is my car, because I noticed my car, because this part right here was peeled up and gone. This part was messed up. I noticed my car. You see this paint down here? That's that whiteout stuff I messed up on my car right there. It's gone. This my diffuser back here.
Ricky, is this the VIN number?
Let me.
The car, though.
This is the car, because I bought it from Chris right here.
Yeah.
That's Chris. And that's my VIN number down there. They stripped it down. They knew what they was doing. Took off my badge. They changed the wheel, put completely new wheels on here. Yeah, they took this from my house. They put 275s back here again, and they ran. They raced it and crashed it. Yeah, it's gone. They totaled my car, bro. I don't think so, but whoever they was racing, they hit. I don't know what they hit, but it's gone. This was it. I know it was it because of that paint that's down there. I messed up that paint with that whiteout. Dang. Yeah, child, it's gone. They know where we live at in Houston. And they had an AR bullet in here, boy. I'm taking this bullet with me. Yeah, they was racing in the car. That's what they had to do. For something to happen like this, they had to be racing in it. Gone. Yeah, it's on this side. Yeah, it deployed. All this is hanging down. All that. So I guess when they broke into the car, did they bust the back window out, or how did they do it? Yeah, come on, child. Let's get out of here. I appreciate y'all. Dang. Oh yeah, it's gone. Bruh, I know y'all just seen it. Bruh, let's run through this real quick. We're going to Arlington. Look what we just ran into. Bruh, they took the car, debadged it, put 392 on there, changed the rims, put nittos all the way around it, right? Still on 275. Took my license plate off, got a temporary tag from somebody else, right? To make it look like they got a new 392 or whatever, right? But that thing was a Hellcat. Buddy knew what he was doing. Buddy knew what he was doing. And Buddy looked like he wrecked it when he was driving. He was racing. He was racing. So, Buddy, I wasn't mad at you for not selling the car because you probably wrecked it by then.
You should have got some money for it. Why would you just be out joyriding?
Yeah, bro. You should have got some money for it.
You don't catch a felony just for fun. Instead of trying.
He looked like he got away with it.
Instead of trying to make some damn money off the car. Why would you just be out riding around in a car instead of trying to make some money off the car?
Fam, I hope you got close as you can to 200.
And he could easily sucker somebody into racing because they think, oh, he got 392.
Yes.
But that nigga had that supercharger under the hood, and then nobody even know.
When you hear that whistling whine, you gonna know it, bro.
I'm hurt that beautiful car is just totaled.
Gone. He totaled it, bro.
Car.
Ghost was one of a kind. Nobody had that Hellcat like that. Nobody had the red interior like that, bro. Look, man.
When them cops said, that's the car. I said, that can't be the car.
The cops, and the thing about it, he knew what he was doing because the cops was looking for my car, but he debadged the whole thing.
And took the stripe off.
Took the stripes off. Dang, see if I would have had a wrap on it, they just would have peeled the wrap off.
Yeah. They knew what they was doing.
They knew what they was doing, man. So, bro, for you to do all that, fam, it's not even worth it, bro. It's not even worth it at all, child. Where am I even at? It's not even worth it, man. But y'all seen Ghost, man. Ghost, I hope Ghost went out doing close as he can to 200, man. You know, we was trying to get Ghost there, but we couldn't get her there. But Ghost never dies. So,
girl,
we out,
you see
man.
That car?